This is Drew with thepodcastingstore.com, your one-stop shop for all things podcasting and remote learning. Greetings and thank you for watching this video. What I want to show you is how I use QR Code Monkey to create some QR codes, and I incorporate those into my videos. Now, throughout the week I create various pieces of content, whether they're videos or blog posts or essays or things like that. And on the weekend, specifically on Sunday, I like to publish what I call my weekend update video, which is kind of an overview of all the various things that I've been up to throughout the week. And in that, I like to put a QR code on the screen so that way someone who's watching it can refer back to the original content quickly and easily, as opposed to trying to put up a messy link or something like that on the screen. It's something they can pull out their smartphone, scan it, and go right to the original content. But how do you make a QR code, and how do you personalize it so that it really reflects you and your brand? Well, that's what we're going to do here. So we go over here to QR Code Monkey, and so you see here, if you go to the qrcode-monkey.com and you enter in your content, well, I've got two pieces of content right now that I need to create QR codes for. So the first one was the View from the Road video that I did, and that's over on the Boomer Music YouTube page. So I just come over here and I grab my shareable link, and then go back over to QR Code Monkey and paste that URL in here. Now, a really cool thing that you can do with this, and this is why I like using QR Code Monkey, is you can add a logo image. So if you go to Upload Image, and then we come over here to, where are we, Pictures, Logos, and I've got the various logos all set. So I use the Boomer Circle logo because it's on the Boomer YouTube page. And so it's uploading that image, and it's going to put it in there like that, and we go create QR code. And I like to personalize the design, customize the design on this. I like the dots over here, and I know I can customize it even further. So now if we recreate the QR code, that's the format that I like it to look like. So I've got my logo here in the middle, and then it's got the QR code. And then you can download the PNG file, and we'll wait for that to happen, and then I can save that, and then that image can be incorporated into my videos. And so I come over here, and you can see the larger version of the QR code, save as, and I've already created the folder that I want it to land in for this week's weekend update video. QR code, and so then this is the QR, so View from the Road, and that was 11/02/21 QR. So now when I'm creating my weekend update video, I can go and grab that and incorporate it in there. And I've got a lot of presets and things like that on the videos, which really streamlines the process and makes this happen faster. And so then the other one that I needed to create a QR code for was over here on the Medium page, which was this week's essay. And so if I grab the link over here, and then we do the exact same process, come over here to QR Code Monkey, enter my content. Much longer URL, so it's going to be a little more convoluted of an image, but that's fine. Now this is over on the Podcasting Store's Medium page, so I want that to be the Podcasting Store logo image. So I'm going to upload a different image over here, which is going to be this one. And then we create our QR code. Now you're going to notice something on here immediately, which is kind of not great, which you see you've got all the dots that are coming through in the image, and it's really convoluting it. Well, you can click over here on Remove Background Behind Logo and then recreate the QR code, and then it's going to look like that. So it's going to make the logo stand out. So I like to do that because then it creates the branded QR codes that refer back to me and what I want to do. So I'm going to download that PNG file. Now I don't just use these for videos. I also use these on things for print. So when we go to shows and we want people to subscribe to our mailing list, for example, I've got a landing page for that, and I'll make sure that it's branded and it goes back to that. Also, we're going to be doing some new artwork on our vans. I want to incorporate the QR codes on that going back to Boomer Music, Podcasting Store, Drums West. So that way when someone's out and about and they're like, oh, what's this all about? Scan the QR code and go to it automatically. It's just creating another way that customers can interact with us and make it easier to do so. Now this one was buying dishes. If you haven't read that essay, you should, because I thought it came out pretty good. So I've got those QR codes saved. Now, I know QR Code Monkey has a subscription, and then you can track the performance of those various QR codes. I haven't subscribed to that. I know people who have, and that can kind of track campaigns and things like that. So I'll probably update a future video if I decide to do that. But I just wanted to kind of show how simple and easy it is to create that and to create an opportunity for people to interact with your stuff just that much easier. So once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like what you see, subscribe to the channel, like it, send me messages. I love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching.
If you're facing a unique problem with podcasting or remote learning, we can help. Reach out to us at thepodcastingstore.com and we'll see what solutions we can find for you. And if you like what you hear, do me a favor and tell a friend. Follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and sign up for our e-newsletter, and you'll never miss another podcast or video again. This is Drew with thepodcastingstore.com. Thank you for listening.